let's get started with another video. Basically where we left off last time with the garage stuff is that I finished all my drywalling and like fixing up the walls, and I finished completely painting. So now I'm going to just take some measurements of like the wall lengths and stuff, and from that I'm gonna draw up some just like rough plans, and from that I can kind of get an idea of how many like 2x4s and things I'll need to buy to build what I'm planning to build, and I can get like an estimate cost of like what it's gonna cost so that I can give that to the landlord and all that. So yeah, I'm just gonna take some measurements of the walls, and then I'm gonna draw up some stuff in Google SketchUp to plan this out. From modeling all that stuff up, I was able to basically see how many like cross braces and how many pieces of 2x4, 4x4, all that stuff that I actually need, how much plywood, all that stuff. So I put that all together. I'm just gonna go through this stuff now and see how much of the existing stuff I can reuse so that I can take that into account and subtract it from the list that I put together already. So I'm just gonna look through this stuff quick, and then we'll go pick up some lumber. Stopped by Sobeys to get the essentials, toilet paper and pizza by the slice. Now let's go get some wood. If you're gonna do something like this, pretty much this is all the things you will need: circular saw, carpenter square, chalk line, pencil, hammer, tape measure, drill, and a level. Too many people seem to not know that levels exist, so get one and use it. So I've already gone ahead a little bit here, and I've cut all the pieces I need for the three shelves on that side for in there. So now all I need to do is screw them all together. Basically I like to like frame it first and then put it up on the wall. It's just sturdier and everything that way. I've also marked out where all my cross bracing will go. So yeah, I'm gonna put that all together and then we'll get it up on the wall. So I gotta run back and grab some more 3-inch screws for this framing, and obviously I'll need a lot more for the workbench and stuff too anyway, so yeah, go grab some screws and continue on this. So now we have our frames for all 3 shelves. So now the fun part of putting them up. What's happening? I think the power just went out. Yeah, literally a whole house power just went out. I don't know if neighbors went out too. Nice. No power. Look at this precision. Damn, I'm good. Looks real nice. Mounted up and leveled in, and everything, yeah, it looks really good. So I'm just gonna lay some plywood on them now, and then I'll move on to the next shelf. Top one is easy for plywood because like there's no support sticking through the top, so it's literally just 2-foot pieces of plywood, which I already have from the shelves before. I can reuse those which are already cut. Yeah, we will get into that. So I tried time lapse. Oh, this is very dirty. So I tried to time lapse cleaning up the garage, but apparently the time lapse didn't work. So I just rearranged everything, moved stuff onto the shelves. Like, it's crazy what a big difference those shelves make. Or anything like shelving or stuff like that for organization. But yeah, because like I don't even have that much stuff. It's just, it was all piled in the middle and looks like a lot. But those shelves look super good. And now there's more room to work and I can finish. This is like with only those 3 shelves. When I'm done, the last shelf up here and then the workbench with a shelf underneath and a shelf above, like it won't even look like I hardly have anything because it'll all be organized. So we'll keep going with the rest of it. Alright guys, well I think that's going to be it for this video. In the next one, we're definitely going to finish up the workbench and the other half of the garage. But for now, pretty good progress. Got the upper shelf, I just need to do the plywood pieces on the top of that. There's going to be shelf in the corner and then shelf on this front section. And then the middle is just going to be used for those tires. And yeah, makes a massive difference and looks way better. I think one thing that I'm still going to try and do is probably not the entire shelves, but I might try and paint like just like the front faces on all the shelving. I'll paint like the front face just to match the same gray as we painted on the walls, and I think it'll tie it in a lot nicer too. Just like one more like extra nice little touch. So yeah, so that's it for this one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like, comment down below. We'll catch you guys next time.